Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to join device or you can say computer machine to Azure AD Entra ID. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you can join your machine, how you can join device to Entra ID to Azure Active Directory. Okay, so what you have to do is first you should log into your portal portal.azure.com. Okay, and once you log in, go to Microsoft Entra ID, go to users. Okay, and make sure you should have one user who have global administrator access. Okay, so let me click here. In my case, I have created one ID which I have Satendra Yadav, assigned roles. Okay. So for now, I am checking if this user Satendra Yadav have global administrator role or access or not, right? So you can see here, this user is a global administrator. Okay. Now let me go back to users. Okay. And post copy this identity. Okay. Means email ID. Okay. Select and copy this. Copy. Now minimize. Go to your device, go to your system, okay, and click to settings. Okay. Right click on a start menu or click on a start menu and then settings. Once you'll go to settings, then you have to go to accounts. Okay. Go to accounts. Then access or work school. Here you can see connect. Click on connect. Once you will click to connect, here it will ask to enter email address. And you can see here, join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. So you need to click here, join this device to Microsoft Entra ID, and you need to paste here the email ID which we copied from your tenant or you can say your portal. Okay, sadandra.yadav at idparivar27 gmail dot on microsoft.com. Okay, so in same way you have to enter here your organization email ID or user email ID which have a global administrator role. Okay, click to next, and then you have to paste here the password. Okay, let me do one thing. I am sorry, 1 second, and then sign in. Here you can see it is asking for resetting current password. Okay, so as I have I have just created this account before making this video. So now I am going to enter here new credential. As I am logging in first time using this credential, that is why it is asking for reset the password. Okay, so let me reset. Okay, let's see. Click on sign in. Just a moment, please wait while we set up. Make sure this is your organization. If you continue, system policies might be turned on or other changes might be made to your PC. Is this a right organization? You can see connecting to this. Okay, so this will be your tenant. Okay, and here it is your email ID, and you will see here user type administrator. Click on join. It will take some time as it will try to sync to Azure. Okay, you are all set. This device is connected to default directory. When you are ready to use this new account, select the start button, Okay, select your current account picture and then select switch account, sign in using your password. Okay, so here it is trying to guide you like how you can log in using this account. Okay, let's say done. Now, how will verify if this is successfully joined to Azure AD Intra ID, or you can say active Azure Active Directory? Okay, let's go to again uh, Azure portal. Okay, click on portal menu, then wait, let's click here. Okay, and then Intra. Okay, let's wait. Microsoft Admin Center, Microsoft Intra Admin Center. Here we'll try to see or try to check if that machine name is showing or not. This machine especially. Okay, we'll go to devices here. Okay, just wait. All devices. C, ABC. Okay, Windows and 10. Microsoft Intra joined and owner Satyendra Yadav. Right? This using this account we have joined this machine to Azure Active Directory or Intra ID. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Okay, here you can see the machine name is or device name is ABC. Okay, let me show you what is the device name here on this machine. Okay, one second. Let me open here. Go to this PC and go to properties. Once we'll go to properties, we will be able to see here the machine name also. Okay, you can see our device name. See, device name is ABC, right? So this same device is now joined to Microsoft Intra ID, okay, or Azure Active Directory. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. Let's go to CMD and run here command ds reg cmd space slash status. Hit enter and go to the top. Here see device state Azure AD joined. Yes. Okay. See, right? So in this way, I mean, this is the way how you can validate if your machine, your device joined to the Microsoft Entra ID, okay, successfully. So guys, I hope I tried my best, okay, and I tried to show you step by step each and everything, okay, like how to join, how to validate if machine is joined to the Microsoft Entra ID or not, okay. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please just to support me, just to motivate me. Please subscribe my channel IT Parivar. Click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. If you have any queries or concerns, please feel free to leave your comment. Definitely I'll try to revert. Okay. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.